beautiful summer Friday here in Menifee, California, and we are about to witness the grand opening of the latest doghouse. That's right, doghouse number 19. Menifee is about to be introduced to a new dog in town. All right, I'm here with the #1 customer at the Menifee grand opening for doghouse. This is Tabby.
I got here at 7 in the morning.
7 in the morning, so we're going on 4 hours.
Yep.
What is going to be your first doghouse experience?
I'm actually getting the cowboy.
Getting the cowboy.
Hi, can I get the cowboy? It's great.
This is how excited people get just for our hot dogs. I swear to God.
Doghouse Menifee is the absolute worst.
Doghouse Menifee is the absolute worst.
Doghouse Menifee is the absolute